Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a new alternative in the alternatives command in your system. In this case I'm going to use Java, which is the most common for this command. And let's take a look what do I have at the moment. First, I can use update alternatives command with the option config and Java. As you can see, I have three Java versions, 7, 8, and 11, but I want to install a new 11 version OpenJDK Corretto from Amazon. And first I'm going to download from using wget. Okay, I'll pause the video and resume when it is done. Okay, just finish. And as you can see, I have this Amazon Corretto in red. So I'm going to uncompress it. Okay, I'm a regular user, so I'm going to use sudo. And now it has been uncompressed. I'm going to remove the tar file, sudo. Okay, and finally we are going to add this new version to the alternatives. How can we do that? By using alternatives command, the option install. We need to specify the symbolic link, which is user being Java. We need to specify the generic name, in this case Java, and we need to specify the destination or the target actually. JVM, Amazon, Java. We need to specify the entire path until the binary in this case, and we need to specify the priority. I'm going to specify 1 because this will not be the default version for my system. Okay, I just did this, and if I do this again, update alternatives config Java, as you can see, now I have a fourth option here, Amazon Corretto, which is the OpenJDK 11. I'm going to select this option, and I can confirm the version by running java-version. And we have running the Corretto version, which is the latest LTS version for this OpenJDK. And this is how you can add new alternatives for your commands. This is all for this video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.